It was clear weather but windy and a little bit cold. We were heading for the waterfall, which is only 2 kilometers easy hike in the summertime. But this was in the wintertime, and then we are talking about other challenges which would soon be clear.
What can you say about the snow?
Snow is as high as north as here.
Yeah.
The snow wasn't the only problem. We couldn't see where the trail was supposed to begin. We realized we couldn't hike 4 kilometers in this deep snow. In a tricky situation like this, what can be better than drinking coffee and eat cinnamon buns in the sun?
Yeah, we did some serious hiking, right?
Yeah, so tiring.
You want a sandwich or a cinnamon bun?
Cinnamon.
After the coffee, we got new energy and found the trail, which consisted of packed snow that could be walked on with care. In some short stretches, it was even bare ground. The waterfall is 93 meters high with a free fall of 70 meters. That makes it the highest free fall in Sweden.
Never stop being curious.
Some important words of wisdom. And finally making us pretty.